damn it. That's not how you lower a car. Where's the key? I gotta drive and see if it'll reset. Alright guys, we are standing behind this beautiful red Ferrari F8 Tributo. This is a Spider, okay? He just barely came out. There's a good customer of ours, got a coupe. Now we got the Spider. We're doing a few real quick aesthetic mods to it and performance mods. This car we started literally today. We already have the catback muffler on there. We took off the stock muffler. We put 1016 Industries catback muffler. We left the cat pipes in there. This customer didn't want to go extreme loud, wants to pass smog, all that stuff. It's going to sound pretty good. It's not going to be as loud as the ones you guys are used to, but it'll still be good. We are also currently installing Novitec springs on this guy. It's going to get spacers, and we also powder coated OEM wheels in a satin light gold finish. So I think it's going to be really cool once we lower this on those wheels with the exhaust. And believe it or not, this is all in one day. The powder coated wheels we sent out 2 days ago. These were other stock wheels that he actually had from his other car, and we got those ready beforehand. But catback muffler and Novitec springs in less than 8 hours finished. So hopefully we have enough time to film it. If not, you're gonna see on the next episode.
Who told you to touch it? Oh, fuck. You drop asleep.
Nah, we gotta look for it. It went here and it went down, but where? God knows. We're dead. We're not gonna find it. Okay, why would you put that right where it's not supposed to be? Why?
I'm not done yet. That's why I need to put it back. You come and touch it and drop it. Go.
How are we gonna find that out?
It's okay. Find out. Another one.
Yeah, so the guy's gonna come back. He's gonna say there's a rattling noise. It's gonna be the clip underneath for that belt.
Your fault.
It's gonna get stuck in the belt and we're gonna break it again. I don't know how you became a mechanic. I really don't know. How did you become a mechanic anyway?
You know what?
There's gotta be a really good story behind this.
The other day, the auto parts guy told me.
He asked you the same question?
Change the job. Yeah, change the job.
Yeah, you see? He's honest with you. His brain functions 50% of the time only. He can't even order a belt. We told him to order a belt and 2 wrong belts came in less than an hour.
But you ordered the second one. Stupid.
I did.
What color do you like the best? There's red, white, and blue.
Blue.
You like the blue? Why? It tastes better.
To the PPI, the supplement, so I can purchase the parts right away. But
It's the first time that Sarkis is working and he's eating. You deserve it, man.
Yes.
Oh, he is done. That was the most work he's done in 2 years. And he goes outside for a cigarette. Alright guys, we are standing in front of this beautiful Audi RSQ8. As you guys already know, this is the smaller brother of the Urus. Drives really nice, has a lot of options. This one is a fully loaded package. What you're seeing behind us right now is the OEM color. However, we did a full stealth clear bra on top of it. So this has paint protection film that has turned the original color into satin. This is a really nice gray color, and now in the satin gray, looks incredible. We also went ahead and lowered the vehicle a little bit, and we did spacers. So the stance is much nicer. Even though we didn't do aftermarket wheels, we didn't black out the wheels or anything. They are spaced out. Carbon fiber mirrors, carbon fiber front grille, carbon fiber in the back, carbon fiber everywhere. And it sounds good. It drives good. It's definitely not as fast as the Urus for sure, even though they share similar parts. You can't get really better SUV than this unless you're spending over 200 grand. The brakes were black color. We actually painted the brakes red, and we did a really dope RS sticker on there with the white and black. Looks amazing. I think the best possible next upgrade for this car would be a set of RDD wheels. I think that would set it off. The customer did just get this car, so first thing he did is this stuff. He might be getting wheels as well, so let us know what you think about this beautiful RSQ8. It has similar to the Urus, but this has a little bit more weird things going on, like this up and down for the RPMs, and then you can press view and changes it back to a whole bunch of other stuff. The Urus has like a left and right you play with, so it's a little bit different in that aspect, but pretty similar. I guess they had to make it different. But I do like the interior of this car a lot. It doesn't have that crazy Urus buttons and stuff here, but like, I mean, all this carbon fiber, all this center console. It's a really good looking car. All this raw carbon. Really, really properly done by Audi. The more Audi does, the more I'm impressed. BMW is slacking a little bit. Sarkis X6M is garbage compared to this car, sorry to say. His whole life is devoted to that car. Jesus.
No. There's a huge nail. You want to do a video?
That's a real car, I like that car.
Bro, I will smoke this car any second.
I'd rather drive slow so somebody can look how nice my car looks. You could drive fast when nobody looks at this car. What is this? What the f is this? This is the back of your car. Right, that's the back of your car. If we just put the emblems on it, it's gonna be the back of your car.
I think someone's fucking with me. Bro, because I think maybe they put it on the edge. So I can get f***ed up.
They don't want you to go to Armenia.
Yeah. Hey, look, my suspension is better than yours. I got a better suspension than yours. Look at my suspension, how bad it is.
Nothing. Zero. I have rear steering. You don't have rear steering.
I do.
Because BMW copied Audi.
You're gonna buy him lunch?
Yeah, of course, I have to.
What are you gonna get him?
As long as he wanted.
Maybe some Astro Burger.
Done deal. Case is closed.
One hamburger is like $20.
Is it really? Oh.
I'm okay with that. He deserves it. Santos, best employee. Expensive tires. Is it wrong flat, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, expensive tires.
What idiot would get this car over this car?
Hey, this car is 100 times better.
This car is so much nicer than your car.
This is a Urus and Audi killer. You can kill the Audi and the Urus same time together.
No.
Yes.
No.
Look how beautiful it is. Bro,
It's honestly the ugliest car I've ever seen.
Audi, Lambo, Porsche, they copy each other. Same car, same design.
Look how ugly your wheels are. Just look how nice these wheels are.
Bro, which one is better? This one or this one? Let's ask people.
Let them ask.
Which
Yes,
one?
yes. Okay, go.
Which one is better? This wheel or this one?
23s. 23s.
Is it stock or not?
Your cheap wheels comes with 22s. These are 23 stock.
Stock?
Yeah, you know why?
Right.
Because these brakes are bigger than your brakes.
But you know, BMW almost 7 years, brake and lights, they win. Better than
except
Audi and
now.
Porsche.
Except now.
No, they still win.
No,
This year,
no,
they won.
No.
2021, they won.
Look at your wheels. They're so ugly.
Okay, that's what get
It's
me
like a
RDB
miniature
wheels.
version of these wheels.
Okay, get me RDB wheels.
No,
then.
no, you stay with your stock, beautiful wheels that you think are nice.
Okay, how come you don't get me the RDB wheels? You promised people, our followers, you're gonna give me the RDB wheels.
No.
5 times.
I
You
never
broke-
promised. Certain rules, and you did not make those rules.
You can do it, Luis. You can do it. Like that. There you go. We have our good friend Tommy's car here. Small little problem. Something's a little loose. Lewis is fixing it real quick. This is the Tesla that we did. You guys know this car very well. Still looks amazing actually. After all this time, it still looks brand new. Good job.
No, it's not ready, bro. What are you talking about?
Why does it take you so long just to fix that one little problem right there?
It's time. You know. Hey,
I asked you a
I
question
can-
and you're telling me it's time.
my donation gonna be. I'm gonna cut this one
Yeah.
and I'm gonna use it. Put them over here.
So you're gonna give
What
me
do you-
you're gonna give me free hair.
Yeah, free here. I let it grow up maybe 6 more months.
That's fine. I'll take it. I'll take it.
I'm gonna do it right now.
Okay. What about the other car? Or did you not hit
I didn't hit her. I didn't want to hit her because she was like way closer to me, so I just aimed for the
But
wall.
did
just
she
a little
stop?
farther. Yeah, she stopped and shit.
So
Yeah,
they-
here's the RIP Q50.
So it was obvious that it was her fault.
Yeah. Laura told me it's her fault.
Mostly give him some other free stuff.
Is that cut on your eye from the accident?
What's up?
Is this
Yeah,
cut?
yeah, all this shit's from the fucking accident. This shit. Yeah, bro. Jesus. I was just going straight down Sunset. This bitch made a left in front of me. Boom, went into a wall. And that was pretty much it. Oh, shit. Thank you, man. Thanks, bro.
Oh, bro.
Stay safe, guys.
You too.
See ya, man.
I'll
Thank
come
you.
back here when I get a Ford.
All right.
He's gonna run to another wall.
A good fan of. Shut up, Moses. Relax. Jesus.
No, he said I'll be back when I get a Porsche. I'm saying he'll run into another wall.
Number one, he watches our YouTube channel. Number two, he was on the way here to buy a shirt and a girl pulled in front of him and he crashed. So, and then he came the next day. So, I told him to give a free shirt, but Moses didn't want to give him a free shirt. See, I tell you guys, Moses is not as humble as you guys think.
If I didn't charge,
because he wants to buy more properties.
Okay, so if I didn't charge for the shirt today, tomorrow morning, first thing I'm gonna, why didn't you charge for the shirt? Why didn't you collect? That's exactly what I'm gonna hear in the morning. We're selling a shirt, so we have to charge. It's normal.
But he totaled his car.
That's not our problem. I feel bad. I feel bad for him, but we can't, like, you know, I mean, he hit the wall, so we can't do anything about that at all.